how to enable or disable suggest contacts on Gboard or Google Keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard and click on Gboard. After click on Gboard, so click on Correction and Suggestions. After click on Correction and Suggestions, so if you want to enable or disable suggest contacts, so you will see suggest contacts is here. So if you want to enable suggest contacts, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see suggest contacts is enabled. If you want to disable suggest contacts, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see suggest contacts is disabled. You will enable or disable suggest contacts from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable suggest contacts on Gboard on Google Keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.